Infographics are a great way to deliver complex information in a visually appealing way, but they can be time consuming to create. But today I'm going to show you a tool that allows you to create infographics just from a text prompt using AI. Let's jump in. So the tool that we're talking about today is Piktochart. And as you look down through here, there are different payment tiers that you can jump into. There is a free option, which is what we're going to be using today just to try it out, just to show you what it can do. But then obviously, if you want to build more or have more options, you can go to some of the paid options. So we're just going to start with the free account. We're going to click on Get Started. And from here, it's going to ask you to create an account to sign in. So you can either sign up with an email or with your Google account, whatever you prefer. And once you follow the prompts to create your account, it's going to take you to a page like this, which is just asking you what you're going to be using this for. I'm going to say it's for work. And then it's going to ask you a little bit more about your role. Again, this is just sort of tailoring the account to match up to best what you're trying to do. So I'm going to say marketing, PR, and advertising, and click continue. You see here, it's just taking a moment to personalize your account. And once you've entered your information in there, it'll take you to a page like this, and you could scroll through here. You can see some different templates that they're recommending for you based on the answers that you provided. But what we're doing today is we're going to go over here on the left-hand side. You can see there's a bunch of different things you can create, but we want to go to the infographics, click on that. And it's going to take you to a section here where they're going to, again, give you a bunch of templates for different infographics. And you can pick one that you like and start customizing it. But what we want to do is up here at the top, you can see AI Infograph Generator. And you just want to click on Generate AI Infograph. And once you're on this page here, you can see different things that you can create with AI. And what we want to do is go to the infographic right there. And then below that, you can see there's a couple of different options of the formatting. We're just going to do this list portrait style, but you can pick the one that you like. And now this is where it gets fun. So you want to type in this box here what you want your infographic to be about. So for our example, we're going to do top 5 digital marketing tips. And then below that, you see additional instructions. Now, this is optional, but this is where you can add a tone or a type of language, more context to your topic, anything that you want that you think is going to help the AI generator get more detailed and be more tailored to what you want it to be about. So I just added a couple more instructions here. Write for complete beginners, focus on social media, and tips for business leaders. You can add whatever you want in there, as much or as little information as you want. And then we just click on Generate Infographic. And literally in just a few seconds, it generates this infographic for you. So you got digital marketing tips up here at the top, your headline. And then as you walk through, you have tip number 1, pick a platform, tip number 2, post consistently, and so on. You can go down through the list and review that. Now, what we can do is over here on the left-hand side, you could see you could choose a design. So this is just the one that they picked for you, but you could scroll through here and see some different options of designs that you might like. So let's say we want to try this one here. So just click on it and it just immediately changes the design. The information's still the same, but it changes the design. I actually kind of like that. And you could just click through each of these and see which one that you like the best. I do think I like this one here, so we'll stick with this one. Now, if you're watching this because you're a content creator and you want to get more mileage out of the content that you're already making, well, I've got a free resource that I want to share with you. It's an AI content agent. And basically how this works is you just drop in a transcript from a video or a podcast, and it will generate LinkedIn posts, newsletters, video scripts, and outreach, all from just one recording. Plus, like I mentioned, it's completely free. So just click the link in the description and it's yours to have. Once you pick the design you like, then you just go up here to the top and say Save and Edit Infographic. Now from this page, you can look through it, make sure everything's the way that you want it. And if you're happy with it as is, you could just click download and you're good to go. However, if you'd like to edit it or like to change any of the information in there, you can do that from here as well. So all you need to do is click on the box that you want to change. So let's say we want to change this headline here. And let's say I want to go 5 digital marketing tips. And then you can click on this box, change that around. Let's say down here, I don't want it to be engage back. We'll call this respond to comments to make it a little bit more clear. Use visuals, track results, everything else looks good. Now, if you want to change any colors, you just click on, like, let's say the background here, go up to the top where it says background and patterns, click on that, and then you could change it to a different color. And then also any of the pictures that they have supplied, you can change those out. You can just click on the picture here. You can either go over to My Uploads and upload your own photo if you'd like to do that, or you can go back to the AI tools and say, let's generate another image. I'm gonna call it more likes and views on social media, just to make more of an engaging image here, and click generate image. And there you go. I like that one much better. It's more visually appealing for what we're trying to do. So over on the infographic side, I'm going to make sure that that image is highlighted that I want to replace it with. And when you hover over this image, it'll show insert to the page. Just click on that and boom, there you go. Now that's in there. And then as you're editing, or once you're finished, you can go up here to the little eyeball, click on that to preview. And then here you could see it without all the guidelines, kind of see what it looks like in a digital format as you would. Click on exit preview. And if you're happy with that, then all you need to do is click download. Click on that. It'll give you some options if you want to save it as a PNG or a different file type, normal quality, download as pages. We'll leave that all as is. And then we just click on download. This takes a few minutes to download, and then you can open it up wherever you have your downloads. And with that, it's now downloaded wherever you have your download set to and ready for you to use. You can add it to your website, send it an email, use it as a lead generation, whatever you need. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.